Jai Hind everyone. This is Pragati Pandey, your maths teacher, and I'm here with a new video. Okay, so we have started chapter 4. Okay, we have started chapter 4 rational number, and we have gone through some basics of rational number. That is, what is rational number, what is irrational number. Then after we have learned the even numbers, odd numbers, positive rational number, negative rational number, prime numbers. These things we have gone through. Now we will move further with the chapter. Okay, so let's start. So up to this positive and negative rational number we have gone through. Now we will move further. Next one is equivalent rational number. So let's start the equivalent rational number. Basically rational number are those numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not 0. मतलब basically the q should not be 0. Any number which can be represented in the form of fraction, that is p by q, whereas q should not be 0. Those numbers were rational number. Now it is equivalent rational number. If here it is rational number, that means that number should be written in the form of p by q. Here it is equivalent. Equivalent means approximately equal. Basically they are equal. So let's see which type of numbers are equivalent rational number. Here you can see that the equivalent rational number, basically you can see that here it is 1 by 2. If we have written it in the form of 8 by 16, if we cut these values, we will get 1 by 2 again. Here it is 4 by 8. If we cut these values, we will get 1 by 2. And here it is 2 by 4. If we cut this, we will get 1 by 2. And if it is 1 by 2, it is simply 1 by 2. So such type of numbers, such type of fraction which can be termed into its lowest form, converted into its lowest form, will be the same fraction. Basically ऐसे fraction जिनमें numbers तो काफ़ी बड़े बड़े हों, लेकिन अगर उनको हम उनके lowest form में convert कर देते हैं तो वो number अब सेम इक्वल वैल्यू दें, मतलब लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में उनकी वैल्यू इक्वल हो, ऐसे नंबर इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर होते हैं. ओके, सो बेसिकली यू कैन सी द इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर्स आर दोज विच कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q if p by q is multiplied to any non-zero integer. Basically the number should not be 0, which is to be multiplied to the numerator and denominator. Okay, so let's see this. Here you can see that we have a fraction 1 by 2. Here I have multiplied this fraction value to a non-zero integer. It should be non-zero. Basically 0 will not be considered here. 2 is multiplied to numerator and denominator. It will give 2 by 4. Here it is 3. It will give 3 by 6. And here it is 4 by 8. If such type of values we have, they are equivalent fraction, because if we cut them it will give 1 by 2. Okay, so these fractions are equivalent fractions. Okay, here it is exercise 4.1. we have gone through several definitions and several types of number. Now we will move to exercise and solve several questions regarding the topic we have already studied. So in the question number 1, it is asking that which of the following are rational number. You have to tell, there are 6 questions in this. You have to tell which are the rational number. So rational number are those number which can be written in the form of p by q. So basically we will see each and every part and see that which can be written in the form of p by q. You can see first part, that is 6 by 16. So it is written in the form of p by q, so it is rational number. You can see that second part is minus 10 by 20. We have also seen that rational number can be positive or negative. Okay, so the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. So you can see that minus 10 is an integer and 20 is also an integer. So second part is also rational number. Third one is 0 by 0. if it is 0 by 0, the resultant value will be 0 itself. Okay, so this will be considered as irrational number because it is 0 only. Okay, next one is minus 16 by minus 20. In this question, what you have to do, you have to just see the numbers p and q, that is fraction questions. So in the form of fraction, first you have to see minus and minus will cut out each other. There will be positive sign to both the numbers and they are integers. So this question is also rational number. Now fifth one is 0. 0 is also an irrational number. 0 is also the rational number. So this will also be the rational number. So sixth one is 1 by 0. 1 by 0, if the denominator is 0, you can remind that any number which should be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0. We have already studied that q is not equals to 0. Basically, let's go to the definition portion. You can see here the rational number which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0. So you can, here in 6th question, you can see that the denominator is 0, that is q is 0, so it is not the rational number. Now question number 2, is there any rational number which is neither positive nor negative? कह रहा है क्वेश्चन में कि क्या कोई रैशनल नंबर हो सकता है जो ना कि पॉजिटिव हो ना कि नेगेटिव हो। तो ऐसा सिर्फ ज़ीरो हो सकता है जो ना पॉजिटिव होता है ना नेगेटिव होता है। ओके, सो इट्स आंसर इज 0. In the question number 6, here in question number 3 you can see it is saying that write the numerator of each of the following rational number. Here is a rational number, they are rational number and you have to write the numerator of each of the following. So you can do this is your assignment work. Now question number 4, which of the following are positive rational number? So rational number whose sign are equal, that means numerator and denominator have equal sign, they are positive rational number. You can see the first part, that is minus 6 by 20. You can see the numerator is negative whereas denominator is positive, so it is not positive. You can move to second part, minus 16 by minus 20. These are having numerator and denominator both are having same sign, that means it is positive. Third one is 6 by 20, same sign or no sign, that means positive. Now fourth part, minus 10 upon 106. This is the wrong because it is negative rational number. Now fifth part is minus 10 upon minus 36. It is also positive rational number. Okay. Now question number 5th. Find 4 rational number equivalent to each of the following. What you have to do, we will see the first part, that is 6 by 16. In question number 5, first part was 6 by 16. So if it is asking about equivalent numbers, what we will do, we will just take the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is saying that you have to write the 4 equivalent numbers. So you will see that 6 by 16, you will write this. Okay, multiply 2 by 2, then 6 by 16 multiply 3 by 3, then 6 by 16 multiply 4 by 4. In this way you can write, and if you cut this 6 by 16 you will get 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 will also be its equivalent number, and you will multiply this, 6 to the 12, 16 to the 32. In this way, this one is this, its value and its value, these are the answer. Okay, these are answers. You will write this, 6 3 ja 18, 16 3 ja 48, 6 4 ja 60, 6 4 ja 24, 16 4 ja 64. So all these numbers are equivalent numbers. So in this way you have to do the question number 5. Okay, so students, your assignment work is solve exercise 4.1 from question number 1 to question number 5. Okay, and we will discuss the other things in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.